Greetings, YouTube. We're back here again doing another nerd report. And today, we got some news floating around the interwebs. So it's about the Apple's new iPhone, preferably the new Apple iPhone 15 Pros. So the Pro and Pro Max. Um, People are starting to experience overheating issues with the phone. So the overheating issues are only for the Pro series due to the fact that this is for the A17 Pro chip, not for the previous year chip set that was on the 14 Pro Max that's on the low end 15 and 15 Plus. So this is what this is pertaining to. So I'll put this article in the description below so you can read it, get some insight about it if you want. So I've been watching a lot of videos on YouTube, and Lou Later from Unbox Therapy, he had a whole bunch of iPhones, previous old models, newer models, and he was trying to replicate the test, and he was seeing somewhere close to about 100 degrees charging and screen, doing some other tasks, but not the super overheating issues. So people are trying to replicate this problem, but in this article, they're talking about some of the specific things you can do to see if your phone is going to trip this overheating session. So as I was reading this, the some of the apps that are causing this problem, and a lot of these apps have something in common. So, like the Uber app, the Instagram app, Facebook. So a lot of these apps that trigger multiple different sessions on the chip. So not just everyday web browsing. The Uber app does data and pulling GPS, or like Asphalt 9, which is a gaming app. So it's pulling hard on the cores and on the GPU side of the chipset. So they're saying that it's rapidly increasing, going from, like, let's say cold to instant hot. And nobody really puts a finger on the fact that, hey, look, phones get hot, but when you get a rapid hot, that's something to really have to be concerned about. So those are some of the overheating triggers that some of these research firms have looked into. So we inside this article also, let's pull this ad up. Inside the article also, it's also trying to inform you about what the other possibilities could be. So as we're looking into trying to see what some of the issues are, and talking to other people, a lot of people saying that they're not seeing these problems or seeing these issues, but I would say that you have to experiment to find out exactly if your phone is going to be triggered by this also. um it also saying like that possibly the power delivery could be an issue. So because the iPhones went to USB-C, and that could be an issue. I don't necessarily think so, but you got to try out all different scenarios. Um, the iPhone is seeing temperatures rise sharply, going past 108 degrees Fahrenheit very quickly. So we're talking about, it's in your hand, and then let's say you watching a YouTube video, not YouTube, but let's say Instagram or Facebook, and Facebook and Instagram, they pull from the GPS also. Even though you're just scrolling a timeline, it's trying to pull GPS data in quick too. So it's all of a sudden heats up in your hand very fast. You thinking somebody's setting a match in your hand. So with this could be a serious problem, and the fix for it is coming. With I think another iOS update should be showing up very soon. But another reason why they also think that it could be the titanium in the newer iPhones, but I seriously doubt that that's going to be the problem, due to the fact that the chip is what's heating up, not the titanium on the edge. So I would probably rule that out. It mentions that inside this article, so you could take that with a grain of salt. But I would say, or look out for the update for the new iPhone Pro series. And with this update, it might have to start throttling the new Pro, this new A17 Pro, to be able to handle the new data sets. A lot of the apps are being updated for the new update, so it depends on how much of a performance hit the new chip is going to get hit with, just so you can mitigate the overheating issues. So if you're experiencing any overheat issues, put it in the comment below. Make some noise in the comment section. Hit that virtual like button. Share this video with other people who are having the same issues. If you are experiencing these issues with your new phone, and subscribe to the channel, I greatly appreciate it. And thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.